First reading, Isaiah chapter 49 verse 1 to 6. Give ear, ye islands, and hearken, ye people from afar. The Lord hath called me from the womb, from the bowels of my mother he hath been mindful of my name. And he hath made my mouth like a sharp sword, in the shadow of his hand he hath protected me, and hath made me as a chosen arrow, in his quiver he hath hidden me. And he said to me, Thou art my servant Israel, for in thee will I glory. And I said, I have labored in vain, I have spent my strength without cause and in vain, therefore my judgment is with the Lord, and my work with my God. And now saith the Lord, that formed me from the womb to be his servant, that I may bring back Jacob unto him, and Israel will not be gathered together. And I am glorified in the eyes of the Lord, and my God is made my strength. And he said, It is a small thing that thou shouldst be my servant to raise up the tribes of Jacob, and to convert the dregs of Israel. Behold, I have given thee to be the light of the Gentiles, that thou mayst be my salvation even to the farthest part of the earth. Psalms chapter 71 verse 1 to 6, 15, 17. A psalm for David. Of the sons of Jonadab, and the former captives. In thee, O Lord, I have hoped, let me never be put to confusion. Deliver me in thy justice, and rescue me. Incline thy ear unto me, and save me. Be thou unto me a God, a protector, and a place of strength, that thou mayst make me safe. For thou art my firmament and my refuge. Deliver me, O my God, out of the hand of the sinner, and out of the hand of the transgressor of the law and of the unjust. For thou art my patience, O Lord, my hope, O Lord, from my youth. By thee have I been confirmed from the womb, from my mother's womb thou art my protector. Of thee shall I continually sing. My mouth shall shew forth thy justice, thy salvation all the day long. Because I have not known learning. Thou hast taught me, O God, from my youth, and till now I will declare thy wonderful works. Gospel, John chapter 13 verse 21 to 33, 36 to 38. When Jesus had said these things, he was troubled in spirit, and he testified, and said, Amen, amen I say to you, one of you shall betray me. The disciples therefore looked one upon another, doubting of whom he spoke. Now there was leaning on Jesus' bosom one of his disciples, whom Jesus loved. Simon Peter therefore beckoned to him, and said to him, Of whom he speaketh. He therefore, leaning on the breast of Jesus, saith to him, Lord, who is it? Jesus answered, He it is to whom I shall reach bread dipped. And when he had dipped the bread, he gave it to Judas Iscariot, the son of Simon. And after the morsel, Satan entered into him. And Jesus said to him, That which thou dost, do quickly. Now no man at the table knew to what purpose he said this unto him. For some thought, because Judas had the purse, that Jesus had said to him, Buy those things which we have need of for the festival day, or that he should give something to the poor. He therefore having received the morsel, went out immediately. And it was night. When he therefore was gone out, Jesus said, Now is the Son of Man glorified, and God is glorified in him. If God be glorified in him, God also will glorify him in himself, and immediately will he glorify him. Little children, yet a little while I am with you. You shall seek me, and as I said to the Jews, Whither I go you cannot come, so I say to you now. Simon Peter saith to him, Lord, whither goest thou? Jesus answered, Whither I go, thou canst not follow me now, but thou shalt follow hereafter. Peter saith to him, Why cannot I follow thee now? I will lay down my life for thee. Jesus answered him, Wilt thou lay down thy life for me? Amen, amen I say to thee, the cock shall not crow, till thou deny me thrice.